Imagination is your workshop. Life is a great big canvas, and you should throw all the paint you can on it. Danny Kaye. Take a look at all the man-made inventions around you that make your life easier. Think about it. Stop for a moment and realize that at first each was just an idea in someone's head. First there was an idea, then the object. Tap into the power of infinite possibilities to fuel your imagination. Receive, believe. A belief is only long-held idea. It is time to make your beliefs causes of your intended effects. Your point of focus is your choice. Your thoughts are in your domain. There are two poles to every thought, a negative and a positive. Actively reach toward the positive pole. It will feel like a better feeling thought. The more you play and tip the scales to positive, optimistic view, the more you strengthen your muscle of positive faith. Thought by thought, as you keep reaching for relief, you are being transformed. You are a very powerful, energetic being. You have a navigational system to help you cross to where you want to go. You have the ability to impact positively your life when you pay attention to your feelings and act on your preference to reach for relief. You have the power to change beliefs and thereby the whole auto-programming of your life. It's time to get into the driver's seat and be the navigator you are.